Yes, so. Yeah. Yeah, now chop yes, so now don't mind me. Today I want to discuss about some people right in UK. But before then, before I start my program, that way, may I first eat my own paper here before I begin discuss about them. Yes, so check for the good news. Yes, so we are the talk show worldwide. I get them here now to my even one day, I didn't want to oh, seven one day, no, you see your mouth. The many just go in my soul, well now. Hey, you're my. Good afternoon. Rejoice blocking. Yes, for yes, everybody have this work why and the moon down for not being around it. Moon down for not being around it. Oh. Happy weekend. Always happy. Yeah, yo, ni mi agbon gbe ya sere now. Yes, good morning. This we are to touch Kokobiri Master husband to us in Gomoda. Today, I don't come. You understand? Want to talk to our brothers and sisters that are living fake life in London, UK, and also in Europe, many Nigeria, and also to talk to men to pay their white bride price. Today, we have decided to come out on this topic today. You know, we want to be now. Away, if I'm near backbone, now ya zero. Emi near backbone, ya zero. Well, many of our people, they live fake life, both in Europe and especially these UK Nigeria people. Many of them are living fake life. Why? It is good. So don't say what you are not because or you want to feel pompous or you feel you want to make people to know that I am so smart. So no. Many of them here in UK, they live fake life. I will talk to them, I'll talk to our men, which they play game to our women. You see, some of the single mothers, Nigeria single mothers based in UK, and some of the Obewe men, where they that nobody don't they see Obewe, make I tell you now. Not be only you go with the see Obewe, with the see lazy Nigeria youth. Now remember saying that year 9, our president also said Nigeria youth are lazy. Yes. Many of our women here and men, they are living fake life. Why? It is better to say this whom I am than to wear shirt that is not yours because you are going to party, you went to borrow dress to put on because you want people to look at you or to rate you high. No. This message to some of us here in UK that are living life, a fake life, wait till you not be, not say na you be. Say because the people there on that country, they not go know. No. As Uyedo Talk Show come here, come see my eyes, come see both the men and women where they yarn, where they talk, they call both Uyedo Talk Show where they come in, or both on program or behind the bar. No, there are people come behind the bar. There are people come during the program, but there are people come behind the bar after the program has started. They now come behind the bar. Many of them are those who come inside the program. Many of them, you will think the life they are living is so much that these people, you will be looking at them, maybe these people are so, these people balance the way they talk on social media. My people, please, not because for anybody go commit crime, go fall for jail. Many of our men and women here in UK are deceiver. They deceive our people in other country to fall a victim of circumstances. You see, these people are living a fake life. When I mean fake life. Even people in Europe live a life that's suitable more than many of them here. Now me the tell now, so I did it now the tell now. Many of them are living a life that some of them living in UK, you can't live that, living in Europe, you can't live that life. You see, the problem of Nigeria lies in the hands of Nigeria. By our lies. We say our leaders are bad. Look at those of us living here, deceiving ourselves, saying things you are unable to do, to tell people what you know is fake. My people, Many people for UK they live fake life. Not be the way you dey see and not be so dem be. Not be the way you screen them for social media or they talk, not be so dem be. These people are people who deceive the fellow Nigerian. Yes, make I tell na UK people, they no dey baff well, many of them. Una listen to me. Fear not dey let them flush toilet. They go shit. Una dey hear me o. Many UK as if they shit, they're going to let you flush am. Another person will shit join am before they flush am. That na life. And I saw Belgium they do am. Not be only UK, Belgium, because I visited Belgium. I peace for person house of Belgium. I play say no, never flush am. Make the first peace put. Same thing dey happen for Belgium. The same what is happening in UK is happening in Belgium too. You know if you go person house, you go peace. The peace where you peace, or you come there, you see peaceful inside, you want flush, I go say no, make you peace, Jonah. Make the basic come high. Me, I dey fear for people, the life they are living, a fake life. Why can't we, our men and women in UK, and this most of these women go come out for social media, the way they go, they talk, hey, pa, daddy, hey. When you are living a fake life, inside the peace where many people peace, you know, let person flush, another person go shit, go push me out. You know, it carry infection. That is how we contact infection. I am not back. I'm still here in UK. Do maybe skeleton. I'm still in UK. Not because do maybe skeleton not be everywhere. Do maybe skeleton if you dare UK because say you dare UK, you say not be everywhere. Not they talk that was saying everywhere. You don't say I never go any house for you tell you say I peace just me I not flush the water system. I'll come I see people peace, I see people full am. No. Now Belgium, I don't witness this thing for Belgium, and I'm witnessing it again in UK. You will go and pay fees to somebody, you will go to the shower, you see the water system, many shit there, you no go flush am. Why? What kind of life are you living? And you go Nigeria, you're going to do one like this, yes. When you ask for UK, shit, you know the flush am. Peace, you know the leprosy flush am. What life are you living? And people will come and visit you and go carry infection because say you want street food. I just visit many of them, my people. Now shame. Shame. Do maybe you are if you they do the same thing, you are a disgrace. Stop that nonsense. Do maybe skeleton. You can tell anybody will come your house do maybe so you don't see they flush your toilet. Many of them are living fake life. Instead of them, even though they do, if you see people, you go because you know why? Me, I watch many of them. Be ashamed, not let them tell me no flush. I see other people. I say why flush? So I say them at the mark. Those people just say now, so they do, and no mind them. They don't let person flush down. They go to on light. If they pay, they you see this bulb. If you on bulb for you, if you use the on bulb. Oh, but you see these people, they go just tell you say na to big go come to on light. To on light. On light, may you see, may you not fall, may you not blind. They'll tell you say leave the light on. You leave her like that, What? Don't mind many men where they call for social media. Don't mind those men. Those men are far, many of them. They are zero. You see, here where Aramia Gome, na ya zere. Now wait till you see, now you go talk. Aramia Gome, na ya zere o. Ede o, eya gbonwe na gbama. Ede o, eya gbonwe na gbama. Emi mi agbon mi o, nu ye to ya zere o. Iye you kene o, a o me na so o. E so ga ne o. Iye reflush is in ya o, UK men and women. So my people, This life where our men and women are living, they should stop living a fake life, coming to cause problem other people on social media. That is why many of them hide. You know, because na shame for them. Kokobiri master, they can witness many things. You see, huh? So that is why me, the Kokobiri master, I must always tell you the truth. The life that people are living is fake. Majority of them are living a fake life. The life you can't even live in Nigeria. And they are living it here in this UK. Nigerians. They forget if person peace. Even though the person peace 10 times, you need to flush am. I go peace, I no go flush am. I go come again peace journal. Come again peace journal. Come again peace journal. He go peace put. Hegbelegbe. Many has said, Boku na shejo. Because I don't broadcast and come out now. I don't broadcast and come out. Many of them are so. You say me I go share Okpaka house. I never see Okpaka. You say me I go share Bishop Okpaka house. I don't see Bishop Okpaka. Bishop Okpaka. I don't see. I say me I go share Okpaka. I don't see Okpaka. Okpaka no see at the time. But I never see Okpaka. Well, because of Uyedo, Okpaka go this go out to me. I don't know. Okpaka need to see Uyedo, but me I don't see how. No say as no say. Otutu no mi bieka. Na Kokobiri master can be Otutu no mi bieka. Me I know the shame. Now the way I be now, I'll live the true life. What I want form for? Which form I want come from? Form for you? I don't live a fake life. It's better to call a spade a spade. Why must they be living a fake life, deceiving people? So I am here today to bring it out to the world that a lot of our people, men and women in the UK, are living a fake life. Same goes to those in London, in Belgium. Because I have visited many houses in Belgium. When I went there, I went to a house whereby they can't flush toilet in Belgium too. Don't say make the water full. Make the peace. I mean peace. On that one peace, on that one peace put. Nonsense. Do you know people can contact infection through that? And you can, some of you call you go to school, here you go to school, we always go to school. And now you are causing infection to other people. You infect people. Do you know that is infection? Contamination. You contaminate infection through that particular toilet. A toilet, when anybody, that is what's called excretion waste product. The moment you pass out the waste product, whether the nitrogen waste product or the waste product, the moment you pass it out, that you have to flush it and clean it for the next person to use it. I see no reason here in UK, many of them know the flush if they piss, don't leave them. Why? You piss, you no flush am. They go say bill. Good morning, Mercy Afuwa. They go say bill. Bill for where? Not be bill where you dey pay and dey pay. Now the same bill everybody dey pay. Give you light bill, give you gas bill, give you a big bill with all they pay for you. What is the difference? Many of them are discriminating themselves. Even get one my friend said, my own friend. That one because he dey live a fake life too. That boy anytime call you okay, he go bagger. Anytime I see that boy, if you know, until I come, you go call me. But this one go full and my friend or my childhood friend. You know, he said my childhood moved and go the same school. Even when he can't go university, he can't be a no gear of don't commit for university. That boy, you know, he said, as I don't talk and come out now, they watch me. He knows saying I hear they talk. It made me feel use on that account. You know, himself, that boy that live a fake life. Now my guy, I'm gonna describe and finish. Now my guy. We gotta go primary school, we gotta go secondary school. Tell you, he know me. That one because I tell her, I'm not the shame for you. Why are you the shame? Even though your ass not clean, it doesn't clean the, just make sure clean the toilet, whatever. Flush it, or you, even though you rent one room for it. No, we all they rent one room. Does not mean you will die in one room, no. There's at least one of them can be in one flat, but they will at home go and look at them. Does not mean they will not maintain the as they are living. Why would Nigeria living a fake life? Nothing Mama Diva Akakboro. Nothing like B too expensive. Now the same B they pay. Which B too expensive? Jackie Essie, you send you say you have sent your postcode. You send a postcode to where those here. I have sent my postcode with me. Postcode without talking of phone. Jackie Essie say he have sent a postcode for me. Yes, you send postcode. I see it. You just send a postcode to somebody, and the person will just enter and be coming to your house without communication. First of all, when I don't see that thing, person just send address. He not call you, not tell you say we don't see the way you tell reach my house. So if you enter through the postcode, call me. So you not send a postcode. Uyedo, a VIP man will enter the same postcode. Yours will come without communication on phone. Ta, you fail. That now yours face, Jackie, my beautiful fans. You fail for that one. Without talking, you must talk. If I call you a pick, yes, I know say yes, I'm going to visit you as my good fan. You send postcode, I just contact. No. Me, I don't see big past that level now. If you pick of course, yes. If like say person want invite me for occasion, send me invitation card. That invitation card is useless because why you don't communicate me? What do you mean? Send me invitation card on WhatsApp, on Messenger, or without calling me. Is that you invite? No, I don't accept invitation like that. Automatically, that person is not welcome. You underrate that person. Okay, my sister. You want me to see the location without talking on phone? Jackie, yes, you know. That you sent to me is fake postcode. Yes, he's calling her Jackie. Yes, Jackie, I'm hearing you, my sister. Koyo. Who sent the postcode? Mary calling me pick like
if you know that you not send you where the postcode, even you can't beg the location because already 5 hours you know be driving. Also, you can't send you where the postcode.
Don't send the postcode. Even
when may not be me, we may not buy me. Me vous imo magwa Facebook what is the here in ale nwe who we fi we me ira wa e ba mele no ma ila me send you address me what the here na I think we gwa na pa egbe yes when you with me. Oh my the boy me I expect the call we can finish the call. All
right. So that is why my sister don't defend herself for there now. Because what I told you true, you send me postcode, you must talk. I know say yes. Me I know say I dey come there, come pay visit. You understand? So my people, why I just say many of us are living a fake life, which is very bad. I make us pass to many of our Nigerian people. So that is why I want to say cleanliness is next to godliness. When the majority of our people here are living a fake life, that is why some they shame to let you come their house. You know why many of our people don't want me to come to their house. They don't want you to visit them home to know the life they are living. But they will dress, come up for outside, you will see them look handsome. But you don't maintain your house. While living a fake life. If person shit, he go flush, and if he piss, he go flush. Who now don't they flush, don't they piss, flush, don't do not they piss you now. I want give person infection. Now make many people they contact infection. Please, my people, when they visit UK, Una dey take infection medicine because it depend on the house where you go visit them. Maybe there now they don't peaceful and you want shit, you can't man, bullshit, man. My people, when I stop to live fake life, to our sisters and brothers based in was overseas. Because now these two countries I don't see now Belgium and UK. Belgium and UK, now I also talk the two countries where I don't see now. When a man or a woman, these people now they get mad past on social media. Both the men and women, majority of them go to call. And I say I did this one. But the life they are living is fake. When I come here now, I use my eye, conscient. My eye now take comes now. I may come with my leg, not with my leg, and I know person carry me come. Now me by myself come say, I want to take a what? A tourist walk. I came myself as a tourist. I came here to visit, to look around the situation. That is why I try one enter train, know all the situation, know all the area, they feel people. And people need go, they feel me. You know, the way they feel people, so don't say they feel you. And me know they live fake life. That is why they can feel me, because I'm not living a fake life. I am real. I can't live a fake life. I am real. Who I be now, I be. Even as slippers are the wear, as soon as slippers are the wear. If na shoe are the wear, na wetin I wear. I no go come say wetin I no get, say na I be. I don't do it in my life. I don't want to be proud because I don't know who go help me. But why are they deceiving our people? Why are they deceive us? Most of my people, UK, why are they deceive us? Why are they deceive us? And my Nigeria people. Why una dey deceive us? Why una dey deceive us? Okay? That is why let's call a spade a spade. And many men and women who in the UK and the other country are living together, they are not married. They are not married. The men just they shop them. The women they shop them. They don't pay bride price. Bride price. Bride price. A bride price is very, very important when it comes to what marriage activities. And then they call themselves, I am married. When your parents don't receive bride price from the man will give you belly. See them here for UK. Then they live fake life. We don't come. I come see. Not be waiting, then talk. Mama, now see. My mouth will talk. As I see my mouth talk. Because my ear fed the year and says that they do, but now I come see my mouth go nyala. I mean a nyala. Undaiva me bagbo. Na ya zero. They say what? No event, no history. These are things that I've seen in the life of many Nigerian people here. That is why I decided to pass it out to my people. Do not allow these people to deceive you. They are deceiver. Many male claim they have wife here in UK. They don't get wife. They don't get wife. They be living together. They don't get wife. They don't get wife. They be living together. At this time, many men when they talk say, "Cause hey, I have a wife. I'm a married man. I'm married man." La. Watch it. At the time, I just see many them be liar. We gonna stop to the lie. They deceive our people. Make una they can't see who una be. Muna how they deceive our people. Muna how they frustrate our people by deceiving them with your lies. say who I be. I don't born, but they never put money for my head. Clear. And the moment you did bring shame for your family, you, woman, where they don't put money for your head, we allow that man to chop you well. And women who know this thing, may we not put money for your head, now then they chop pass. May we not put money for your head, now then they blow well pass. Because they know say tomorrow they go dump you, go take sweet 16. We may open your eye, shine away. And that man, you go say, make it do, and you don't know say the man want go listen. Tomorrow you come make you, you don't want today, you don't jump you. Now then the man tell you say you don't get character. Because no people money for your head. You don't be why. If marry you, the family recognize you. Automatically the man will not go and take another sweet 16. That time you don't expire. You don't be second hand. You be second hand. That time you are not second hand. Ladies, be wise. Where is your pride? Any woman will not put money for you, not get pride. You are priceless. You have no pride. Automatically you are priceless. Any woman will they not pay a bride price, she is priceless. Now get my pass to the nya to single mother you deal with might not pay your ass, not pay your bride price. You and single mother na the same thing na bill. You with single mother na the same thing, nothing like different. Because they not pay money for you are priceless. Because the way single mother be na so you be. Because the man no pay money for you, automatically you are priceless. You have no pride also. Because you are not Mrs., you are Miss. You don't come to social media and be making man when the bride price is not on your head. Okay? So I'm telling you people, okay? Those of una wey no know, make una know this one today. Don't let any man deceive you. Do not allow any man to deceive you by calling you his wife when he refused to pay your bride price. When a man cherish you and love you, I want to put pride. The man want to really honor and adore you, and the man need to pay your bride price and took away the shame from you. Because your father refused, they didn't take that from the man, automatically you are not, you worth nothing, you are priceless. Ladies, open your memory and watch. You are equal the same with single mother who has no man, that they are vandalizing, living on her own. You yourself is empty. Because anybody can vandalize you. They have no bride price on your head. Because the man is not your husband. And you can decide as a woman not to leave the man. You can decide to sleep with another man and say, you do pay my bride price, so you have no right over me. Many women have done it too. For you to know, you don't know how many issues we have settled when the man will say, my wife went to sleep around. What does the woman reply on the social media when we are discussing? You say, did you pay my bride price? Did you pay my bride price? Am I your wife? You have seen trust issues that have been handling for years. Why can't you now have sense and talk to the man you are living with to go and pay the bride price? How much for bride price? 24 naira. 24 naira. Do a small size, but they put money for her. So thank you, Miles, Nikki Joyce. So no woman. Thank you, Sandra Mason Kings. So no woman. Any woman need to, on their wedding day, their joyful day, the happiest day, when the bride price is being paid, the happiest day of a woman's life and a man's life. But your bride price is not being paid, and you are living with this man. You are calling the man your husband, but outside the man does not call you his wife. Listen to me. I want women to know. The man not the call. Because when we dance, I mean, we be men. When we say, "Where your wife?" You say, "Not be my wife." You not pay my. I not pay a bride price. You say, "The woman will born for me." Many may not be today. We don't discern between ourselves. When we talk about the woman, say, no, not be my wife, not be her brother, now woman way born for me, I never marry. And the man is right. He never was married. He never was married. Come. Excuse me. He never married. The man is right. He never was married. And the man is what? Equivalent right. You say, I never married. And true, he never married. You born for them. I not pay your bride price. There is a limit of my right in your life, and from your family you came from. There are the way I will handle it with care. Did you pay our daughter bride price? We have not given out to you yet because the bride price has not yet been paid. Ladies, and this set of women now then proud pass. Thank you, Sandra Mercy King. And this set of women, when they don't pay their bride price, and they proud pass. If you stream them on social media, mostly for their bishop meeting, you see better from Enuwa. Other for Enuwa, not be other for Enuwa. Other for Wedano. Other for Dano. Listen to me. You see, if I go see all these men, they're going to show them, give the man, and the man going to do, I going to tell the man, look at him. Away. Emugu. Oswald, the man go young. Away, I'll say we are. Yes, a value. Yeah, you know, you are temporary. You don't know. Temporary. The mice, Yahweh. Emi daya gwale mi no man. The man is using you to look for the rightful wife. You don't know. The man. MC love the naked wire. MC love the naked wire. If money no, the how much they do bride price 24 naira. 24 naira can pay a woman bride price. Buy yam. Buy this money no dey you dey buy cloth. Money no dey buy the best room. Money no dey buy the best you dey buy marker. Well, how much money will you take buy marker? You should put money for your wife head. Listen to me. Forget canopy when they talk about. Canopy now for people outside. The real marriage is taking place inside the room. That is marriage. You can do that, take DJ, just celebrate it. But the bride price be accepted. You are recognized as what? A married woman. So, MC love the naked wire. That's what I tell you so. Thank you, Jackie Essie. So, a lot of these women, now they proud pass, and when they are not married, you are like single mother. No difference. But now just single mother pass. You be single mother, they don't pay your bride price. Because the man where you deal with it, they vandalize you. Free of charge. Because automatically you are priceless. You worth nothing. Because you worth nothing. You worth nothing. So I am bringing out this message to our ladies to shine their eyes. If a man loves you, he loves you the way he says, let him go and pay your bride price. If he really cherishes you, he wants to adore you and take you as his wife. So MC the naked wire, go and take 24 naira. So if I am right, give me love. Give me love. I need love. If you know say I dey turn at the truth, I need love. You give me love for the truth where they talk. Because many women, they deceive themselves. If you deal with man not pay your bride price, you not be wife, you just shop you. If they shop you like moment, they shop you the way company they vandalize the single mother. Because the man, when they go leave you, become a what? Second hand. And when you become second hand, and when company come vandalize you come to second tier. Because the moment the man don't leave, go take another one, you come vandalize, you come in second tier. Nobody will come take you again. You don't born 4, born 3, born 5. Thank you for giving me love. Yes, these are my love people. Give me love, give me love. Kori Toto never give me love. Where's Kori Toto, my daughter? I said to you, you are not giving me love, Kori Toto. So give me love, my beautiful princess. Thank you. Give me thank you. God bless up now. Give me love, give me love. Because our women should realize their mistake. Don't say you are living with a man, it's your husband. Lie, not be your husband, not pay your bride price. Who stay? The family know you. Your papa take bride price. Abi your uncle take bride price. You don't take it, they shop your pekus. They stomp after you shop and tomorrow you go dump you. That is the truth. So any woman living with a man that's claimed the man as his husband, when the bride price not yet been paid, not be your husband. Because I can knock at your door and the door will be open because you are not yet married. And if you love me, as you yet don't automatically I give you my hand and you put out, I will take you away from that man because the bride price not yet be paid. That is why I'm using this video to pass this message to advise and bring it out to the notice to the public that a woman that the bride price not yet paid, automatically you are not legally married. You are not legally married. That is what we call, the English say, living together. The Spanish Italian say convivencia. You are not his wife. You just have an issue living together. You are not his wife, a baby mama. Any man can take you to become his wife. Ladies, have your sense and be wise. Open your ear. Talk to your man to pay the bride price. Bride price is just 24 naira. What is delaying you? And these women make fun, they brag too much on the social media, making like this, single mother. And automatically you are indirect and single mother. You're not even indirect, direct single mother because you are not yet married. Because you are the same with the single mothers. And stop make mocking of the single mother when your bride price has not yet been paid. You are all equal. I want you to know that. So you cannot say that, yes, I'm living with man, and you are not living with man. No, both of you are single, but you are being vandalized with the man I live with because the man chop you anytime, drink, come for outside. He shop you anytime, say, open a slave, now you be. In the hand of the man, you are a slave. Because when a slave, you can tell a slave, go and watch my clock, go and do it. And when the man is drunk and is coming out to the home, he will knock at the door. You say, open up. You will why? He go download food because you don't drink. Automatically, you are a slave. The bride price, you not pay. Ladies, open your eye. You are not yet married. You are a single mother. The man is chopping you like that free of charge. So you have to have sense. Have sense, open your ear. Get the sense. Make a come the ear. Make get sense. So don't say that man is your husband. It's not your husband. So ladies, that is why I am bringing out this message because of what my eyes have seen here in this land. Majority, millions of them. You are not married. So I am giving it out to everybody. I want this thing to seek to you all. It's the advice that will help you with each fruit in your life. If you stick to this advice, call your man, honey, darling, you said you love me. Why are you still delaying my bride price? When the man refuses to pay your bride price, automatically the man has a mission. There will come mission. Because the man knows one day he will push you out of the home and will tell you, I've paid the bride price on that woman. My wife is coming home. You will be shy, you lie. You don't lie. Not true the man talk because you know be wife. You don't pay your bride price. You pay your bride price. No. How did you take be wife? The man have said it. My wife is coming, but did I pay your bride price? No. You are not his wife. So ladies, act fast. Act fast. Talk to your man. Go and pay my bride price. Act fast. I'm passing out this information to you. Okay? France said, please also advise our guests to maintain their bekus because that is very faithful. They their bekus will they put the money, not the head. No, I disagree. We put the money on the head automatically you buy from the head to the because when you pay money for the head of a woman, automatically you get everything. Because automatically the woman need to know that make will be the pride. Okay, ladies, Weirdo Talk Show is giving you this advice, and I want you to work with this. Then you will know what I'm saying. Tell your husband to pay your bride, but you will know if the man loves you. You will see the man will come from one excuse to another excuse, from one excuse to another excuse. When you tell your husband to pay your bride, and he's coming from one excuse to another, man, ladies, no say this man don't love you. The man don't want to get on that attention. Listen, I want to tell you now, make my mark this thing. When you they tell your man, pay my bride price, pay my bride price, and the man refuse to pay your bride price, if they tell you, I never get money for 1 year, and I get what I do for 2 years, I get what I do for 3 years, I get what I do for 4 years. My dear woman, open your eye, he not love you. Tomorrow go here and say, don't pay on that money for that woman here for Nigeria. Tomorrow go tell you say you are not his wife. When you two talk to me, you say, I did not marry you. Are we legally married? You are not legally married. You are boyfriend and girlfriend. Eventually, you have child with on wedlock. Those are on wedlock. Because the bride price is not just paid. So women should know that when no bride price, know what? Marriage. Before you marry a woman, you first test the pecus now. Frank, before marry a woman, you must test the pecus. Let me drink my wine. Before marry a woman, you must test the pecus. Before marrying a woman, the pecus must be tested. Because you must test the pecus. You know what I tell us? We test the pecus. Because many pecus don't pour us. You cannot marry a woman without first of all testing the pecus, because the woman was not a virgin when you met her. In years before, we married with virgin, but now we don't see virgin. Virgin is rare. So that is why you test before marrying, because you will know if that place good or not. Whether now a water, because many like water. If like water, get out of bill. That is why women, the pecus, you need to be well. You need to keep the pecus well. Because if I can't enter woman in a water, what I want you to do? I don't enter water. I not going to get swim. I just swim. They swim inside. And they swim. That night water now. Oh, that is why. Since you are not a virgin, I need to test. Now, when you be virgin, and that's okay. Man, since you be virgin, you sure? Yes, I'll pay your bride price. But when I clear stand, you not be virgin. That's not war now. Only you go there or it's a bow. So as far as she's not a virgin, you must first test. Jackie, you say Jackie SCJ, my husband don't test before we marry because him na Catholic. Time na Catholics vandalize people pass. Catholic man, Baba Gian BB man. Then the Catholic they drink beer because no say God made the drink beer. Catholic man, hey, back matter. Catholic way Pope for the do one. Now Catholic Pope say they know they marry, but Pope they. What you they told me? Catholic must clear the back and front before he marry you. Catholic man. So my people, let's call a spade a spade. So before marry any woman, you must first test. I don't advise any man not pay bride price for a woman without testing you. Me I not fit test. You know why it's good to test? You fit go marry my way cassava not dey work. You as a woman too. You come marry my cassava not dey work. What you marry her for? So the two sides need to test. You cannot marry a man without you not know whether the cassava is not going to satisfy you. You know, say men get different cassavas. Make us be so it be. Maybe the man cassava na Colombian. How Colombian don't satisfy you? And when we know say majority women like onila. Okay, now cassava and banana. Look the word. You know say women not they talk about banana. They always talk about cassava. Why women they talking about cassava? Because women don't say cassava big pass banana. Because women don't want banana, they want cassava. Because cassava now lila, banana like this. Now, take a look at cassava, take a look at banana. This and this, are they the same? Banana, cassava, take a look. Now, they know the same thing and they stand. But the women always talk about cassava, they don't talk about banana. And it's true music, they talk about banana, but the cassava can't use to because women know they like Olila, Agi and Bibi. They don't like banana because banana nothing do anything inside. But cassava go from go by, go do and go turn and go one and where the women go satisfy. So no women like banana, they like cassava. Now they describe and say it's good for both opposite sex to first of all test to know if this man is suitable to me or I am suitable to him. Okay. So that is what I'm saying. I go see a Jackie essay. So now you tell the talk. You should call a spade a spade. Don't allow me to deceive you without paying your bride price. Majority of our men are playing game with women. Women does not know. Many men are playing game with you. They don't love you. They don't want to marry you. But they are just playing game. Many men, they are just playing game with you, but they don't want to marry you. A ladies need to be very smart. When a man is playing game with you, you need to open your ear, open your eye. To know this man is playing game with you. Okay? So many are playing game. Many are playing game.
You played it.
So many are playing game. Oh my God. Okay. So you understand? So a lot of women don't know. So you cannot, many men don't play game, don't useless our women, they don't marry them. And women don't see get sense upon waiting men don't do them.
Why don't you do it?
Okay? Okay, go on. Oh yeah, no. Okay, go. Many men, go, hold on, please. You understand? Many are playing game. Many of them have played a nonsense game with our women. And our women don't know. Ladies, please. Many men don't deceive una. Una need to open wide now. When they go pay una bride price. No man want marry. They are una to deceive you, shop you well. And these men are the shop pass. If you see men where they play game with women, now they shop women pass. They go shop and the way they want. And women, they don't see get sense. See, they follow man. Man, don't pay your bride price. They call her husband. Why it be your husband? Not be your husband, oh. Now your bedmate. Hello, me, man. Until you pay your bride price, makes up a man and your husband. But when your bride price is not paid, the man is not what? Your husband. That is what I want you all to know. To have this one at the back of your mind that you are not legally married. You are just what? Satisfying yourself with what when it comes to bedmate. Okay, please, sir, advise them well, Frank Tinson, or because may they vex now there they comes with they pay the money not before. No, we pay for it, pay for the everywhere. When you pay for the man, now you get them. See, I don't see him not let anybody go. So now I give audience to people who want to call. If you are a lady or you are a man, you have something to say on this comment. Let me give you our audience, those who want to call on this platform now. Call. I'm giving you what is your opinion as a woman, as a man. The WhatsApp is there. The WhatsApp, you can call the Italy number is still working. You can call it direct. You can call the WhatsApp. The UK number is there. So I want to give audience to people to call. on this platform. As many of you that are living with men, the man your bride price has not paid. It's not your husband. It's not your husband. It is shop you. Don't tell you. So I give audience to people who want to come. If you know you get comfortable, because you where they live with man, when if you say the man like, oh, not be your wife, not be your husband, the man they shop you. And time will come, the man will tell you say no want to get go marry for Nigeria. There are so many deceive many women when women come to this cry because the man not pay your bride price. They don't say what the premise on say this UK don't say my husband. I can't ask you pay your bride price. Say no, not be your husband and now they live together now. It is shop you now, not be your husband. You say if they shop, tell them you go pay your husband. I can't ask them how many times don't tell your husband will pay your bride. You see how they tell her the man will talk say next year since you they tell her they change and and this man they build us and he see they buy land and he not pay your bride price. You know get sense say the man don't love you. Many women where I don't tell you know get sense say the man don't love you. When a man love you go pay your bride price. But when the man they postpone you, they prosecute you and the man go build us, they build second one, they do many things. You don't know say you be the man take you say I not fit pay your bride price. Ladies, get me right. Automatically, the man knows you don't have the quality of housewife. When the man refuses to pay up, automatically, you don't say you don't get housewife material. You don't be housewife material. You be bed material. You be just to give me baby, may you go. But the man not saying when he get the life one, housewife go put down for I go date until death to them part. If you not get sleep, open your eyes, call your man now. So ladies, can I give them a mokuna call? As many we want open it, where if you make it here if you. And the mistake when many women see they make, because the man don't feel born, and he don't feel born, and the man they cause him marry each other, be together, and don't choose man. He was saying, "Come on, money." The man don't first get clean. Now we all there, so man. Una come there, no, it means they may not pay your bride. The former man money to your head. The former man money not there. As far as say another man don't marry you, and you first get clean, and the new man will still marry you, will still put you for house to vandalize. You need to pay your bride price. You need to pay your bride price. Many women just they don't say because we are don't fair born, the man don't fair born, so you can't say love, we can't date together. Okay, love you date together, they shook you the born put, you don't pay your bride price. You go see be the second man. And the man will see Jerry, the thing will happen to him for the first man will not pay your bride price. Not let it happen to him for the same man you deal with now. So una need to tell me to go and pay your bride price. Many men are deceiving and playing game with our ladies. Women, you need to know what I'm saying now is going to help you a lot because many men don't want to pay your bride price. They are deceiving you. They are deceiving you. Let me pick this caller. Yes, from Spain. Hello, caller. Hello. Hello, caller. Are they pick and they call caller from Spain? I be pick her now. I don't know what is that caller. I dey pick the call, no dey. Hello, yeah, caller from Germany. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my sister. So, what is your name?
Favor Patrick.
Favor Patrick. Oh, it's like I saw Favor Patrick on your bed. Go on.
Yeah, I'm always your fans. I'm your fans.
Because I marked that name Favor Patrick here. Go on.
Yeah. Okay, I want to contribute.
Go on. Spain caller, hold on. Let Favor Patrick contribute first. I will pick you, Spain, just like you don't talk. Oh, yeah, Favor Patrick, go on.
Okay, thank you, sir. The first one you said you talk about this Europe and London. Say they're not the flush toilets. That one are true.
Okay.
But they're not the London, but Germany. Not true. Some people know the flush toilet.
Okay, for Germany, what is this? So some people don't see the flush toilet for Germany too.
Yes, so a lot of people.
Okay.
And people know the flush toilet this Germany.
Yes.
Now all those people don't hear. We believe say there's no law of German.
Yes.
Whereas they don't know. They just get law of marry Igbo. Like they take get document. They say there's no law of Germany.
Yes.
So many of them they greedy. If you even marry cook say to cook for their gas, they know they cook beans. Some say go buy that ordinary gas. Yeah. Say that beans now that they use this up. To all the electrical na
okay.
And public for them. If you see go their toilet, they will see they give you command how to use and not to use it well. If you want even wash plate, they will say put water for a basin. May you lock am. If you wash plate finish, you will come restart like all those way that they do for village. All those
Orada side village
Then one for Belgium where I go Belgium.
So no, you go keep water wey you take this plate for against tomorrow. Me, I go one of my, I'll call her my sister because I'm my language sister, but not be the same village for come. I go there, I say that's what I do. I be Oweka, but the sister like Manki, but me na Orada.
Okay.
So I say, sister, no, so you do. That's what they do. He say, you be Dari. I say, who she Dari? That was 6 years ago. I need to culture that time for Germany. I said, they come over there. This one has stinginess. And you they pay? I go make they pay. No, they go reduce. I say, but only they reduce it, but your money they say they give you intact. So that one pass. So let me say some countries still they do like that, but not just greediness. Then they cost them.
Yeah.
They greedy.
Okay.
So that one come out. Then let me talk about the bride price. Our ladies, please, if you ask our brother to talk on, you and man they stay together, you call the bomb for her. They call her your husband. It not be your husband. Feel like saying I'm free, now you beat her. And no respect. Because you should also know if they don't pay your bride price now, your father or your mother, one of them can't die. They'll come pay the bride price. That means they don't come eat her. Is it good? It's not good. It's a bad habit. They'll come say, okay, because they never pay your bride price, they need to bury your mama or your papa now. So for that reason, now you know they're going to wait for. If really say your man can't really pay her, because also they want to bury the man, they want to bury your father. Your father eat the bride price again. I don't know how back on it. It's not good. So please, if it go around for you to assist the man, as far you and God they stay together, on a gather hand, do the bride price, pay her. You know me. The bride price is not the announce pay her. But you and your papa baby can do it to become your husband. Now be waiting me see for there. Because the Bible says he that findeth a wife findeth a good thing, obtain mercy.
Yes.
So for you to be a good thing, as Bible classify you, is through that bride price. You know, say when he pregnant you, no. Let's follow Bible so that even you yourself will be blessed and the man will also be blessed. There is a prayer that always come through bride price. But if the man didn't pay the bride price, or you didn't give the man the chance to pay that bride price, the man will not receive that prayer. Prayer comes from the wife's side and from his own side. Yes. So then you guys need to receive such prayer. That prayer always help the whole family. So that is my contribution. Please.
Thank you, go on.
I'm a married woman. That's why I'm telling you that it's a very good thing. He always help. He helped me a lot. So I just pray that you guys should understand and do the right thing so that you also help you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, God.
Brother.
Thank you very much. These are responsible women that their bride price has been paid. Favor part, you see the decent and the responsible woman that the parents receive the bride price. That she said one vital point. Do you know that vital point I drag out again? She talk about many women after the death of their parents. Now, when the man want to participate in the burial, funeral, they will not tell the man you can't participate because you have not paid the bride price of our daughter. So the man will not discard it because he want to take part in the burial ceremony. Will not go and pay the woman bride price. Automatically, the bride price will be taken by the family once he gets partner again. Hello.
Hey, Baba, I greet you.
So, what is your contribution, Baba? I greet you.
Baba, you dey line?
Yes, now. This is the come for program. Okay, now later.
No, I don't want to follow you talk. What is this something before?
Later, day program later.
Okay.
So, my people. So we see what I was saying. She said a lot of things. See, there are women that the blessing of marriage will be upon them, like favor parking. That's what we call what? The spiritual and the physical blessing. The blessing from the father's side, from the man's side, and the blessing from the man family side, and the blessing from the woman family side, and the blessing from God. Because the Bible says, whoever founded a wife, founded a good thing, and obtained what? Mercy from the sight of the Lord. So now, you said you have a woman, you will not born and not get mercy from God. Listen, when the bride price is not paid, there must be calamity in that matrimonial. whether spiritual or physical, because the man went to steal you from the hands of your parents. He refused to pay the bride price, and the man now they chop you pass. After the man don't abandon you, go neglect you. And this woman talk another issue. I thought it was only Belgium and UK that many people they shit piss, don't they flush am. I was surprised to see he talk about what even Belgium, Germany, same as Germany dey, Germany string they see they do am. So now see say wey string I dey talk, I know they lie. Now wetin my eyes see, now they yarn. Many people they will go their house, they no go flush toilet, which is very very wrong. Don't say me you shit put, piss put, shit clean, piss put. We say because of that, which that to contact infection. No be the same bill for the pay. So my brothers and sisters, let's call a spade a spade. Do not allow these men be playing game with your life, with your destiny, with your blessing. You know, when a man refuses to pay your bribe, automatically these men are playing game with your life. They are playing game with your destiny. That is why I make women to understand one thing. You, that you are with a man, and the man they born for the man, and you don't pay your bride price. You woman, single mother, and the same thing will be different you, because you never marry. The single mother with the low way get picking never marry. You are a single mother. Just that the man put you for a house, they make you see you, they chop away. Because if you drink, may chop away. Why the single mother, where the man not put on for us, the man they come for us, I come this chopper. You see this thing. The man put you. So if they chop you where, make it they chop you where, you be slave to the man. Because you don't pay your price, you are a slave. The man put you, they chop you the way you want. But dad will cook for me, sweep, do everything as a slave. And many of you don't know, say these men, they are not ready to marry you. You are single mother and the same. If the man really want to, go pay your price. So, now the same thing. And most of these women, now they get my pass for single mother. Na single mother. Na single mother. They bad lie. Now so you be. Just that now let that man just vandalize you. If they vandalize you, if they do and well. And the same thing will be. So please, do not allow men to play game with your life, with your destiny. Do not allow love men and brought shame to your family by refusing to pay your bride price. Una know the shame. Some of you now see your younger one don't pay the bride price. But you, they don't pay your bride price. The family will respect your younger sister more than you as the elder one, because your bride price is not paid. Because you brought shame to the family. There's no pride. You have no pride. You are priceless. Because your bride price are not yet being paid. Automatically, as a woman, you are priceless. Let me sing for your memory. Any woman who they not pay bride price, she's priceless. So any man can come in and knock at the door and take you. I want you to know that when your bride price is not paid, the man don't love you. You are priceless. He might tell you also sweet thing at the business and I lie. If you don't pay my bride price, remove shame from my body, put pride for me. You see many women now, the elder one they don't pay bride, but the younger one don't pay the bride. The father respect the younger one more than you as the elder one, because they don't eat your bride price. Now when you go die, you go come chop and you go pay. Anyway, born you don't see and they don't pay. Nonsense. Ladies, you need to open your eyes. Open your eyes. Shine away where let me they shop your because anyhow the way they like. Your many men they shop on because at the end don't make you abandon projects. Let me tell you, women, do you know many of you where deal with me where they born, you know some of the abandoned project. Una know some of the abandoned project. Because your project has not yet been finished. The man refused to pay your bride price and the project is still undone. It's undone. Maybe the man will now leave you. And now another man comes and you still deal with the second man. Instead of you to see beg the second, please, you don't pay my bride price. Second one will still make you abandon project. Now I make many women see they were born for 2 men, 3 men, without no bride price, be from abandon project to abandon project, abandon plus abandoning. So now still now, ladies, this is my advice. Make una put on, make it yield fruit for una. Make una try, make una men go pay una bride price as a woman. Because our men stop play game with our ladies. Be truthful and call a spade. If you love a woman, what you don't want them to do to your sister, to your daughter, don't want to do it to another man's daughter. You men, you should desist from your evil heart. Stop deceiving and play game with our women. You know you don't love these women. You know you don't want to marry them. Please, stop deceiving them. Stop deceiving them. Thank you, Sanja Messi. Yes, sir. Abandora, yes, sir. So stop deceiving them. Without men, they don't pay your bad. The men they deceive you now. If the men love now, because they pay that bad, but when they don't pay that bad, not love now. The man now they do that, no black price. At the end now, you go call this 360. After I know say you not good again. You go marry Swiss, you go pay back price. You say that one be good. You don't use it finish. But at the end now, don't finish. Even though you give the man waist charge, weight backside, so inside, like the man, he don't love you. So that is why I tell you, if the man love you, tell him make you go pay your bride price. Because make it push respect for you. Okay. Kokobiri master, but make things for Europe. Many don't work. Wait, your stance itself. He said, Kokobiri master, but make things for Europe. Many don't work 60,000 euro now. Can we still put money for them? Yes. Yes. We know say many don't work 60,000. Many don't work 70,000. Many don't work 200,000. Because when many fair pay for madam, pay 60,000. Come see work another 40,000, pay us friend. Come see work another 10,000, carry family. Work another 10,000, carry seven. Work on that. Many don't work 200,000 euro with the bakers. But the way thing important, we say, as far you don't love one already, you don't love one. Since you don't think and make it bomb for you, love one, you toast that glance, you love one. Forget say don't work. You don't work 100,000, 200. Now love you say you love her. Okay? So forget that one, say don't work 100, work this thing. Pay the bride price. I want me put smile to our ladies. Forget say don't work all this on, don't work 1,000 euro, 10,000, 50,000 euro with the bakers. Now condition make her do one. We know say na condition that make the woman do one. So when you know say na condition, the woman is ready to settle down. Pay the bride price and accept her as your wife. So since you know say you not go pay the bride price, no need of you allowing her to have issue for you. Use condom and sleep with her. But when you don't take her as your wife, you don't make it born for you. Pay the bride price. Okay, Austin Essen. Forget the only way where I tell you if you don't love the woman, the moment you enter inside there, because someday we worth 60,000 inside and see water, they not fit maintain themselves. Why someday don't worth 200,000, but inside all you boy, say boy all you car man. When you enter, because the woman maintain herself, it don't work out, but you can't save. You don't call the alaka will be the vandalizer. Your wife say don't work out, it don't come up, but you know if you keep the because can't see a lot different because men they enter inside, they come they swim inside, come be like water with different French. Tilapia, sese, scribia, all come they swim inside. A tilapia finish, all of them come they swim inside. So automatically, those can if you enter inside, you see, and it's better than yours one once. Because tell her, say if you want to tell her, say my sister, I be like you fine, but your bakers now erosion. The only way your bacon no be erosion if you keep yourself for 6 months, and I can't test you again, stay normal. I be love you. So you can use your hand to repair things. You know, say my father say if you love a woman, if she doesn't know how to sweep, she don't know how to sweep. Teach her how to sweep, don't push her away. She doesn't know how to cook. Teach her how to cook, don't push her away. Because you love her, but when you push her away, you not see the woman. For example, you can went to pay visit to one of your friends. You not asking this person, that is the woman doesn't know how to cook. And the woman now was not preparing a meal for you to. You so what will you not be ashamed because you love her because she doesn't know how to cook. You refuse to teach her. That is why you go teach her. That is it. So then you not accept her back. But when you dey teach her, she don't learn. And if you push her, your many women do your test, say keep your bakos for 6 months. Say the bakos, the woman don't fit keep her because you don't fit chop. If you not chop, cassava na lie. Sanja Messi clean self, you get mad, sha. Now shoot I talk to my sister. Because we want me our women keep that bakos for one place. So my people, I love all of you now. This is not me. We are the talk show, the Cocoa Beauty Master, husband to all single mother, live in London, UK. I'm here on the watch a holiday trip. So thank you and God bless you. Today has come to the end of the show of today's segment. Please, men, stop playing game with our women. Be truthful and tell a woman if you love her that you love her. Don't deceive her, and if you love her, pay the bride price. Don't deceive women if you don't love her, you don't want to pay the bride price. But if you really love her, pay the bride price. And ladies, those of you who are calling a man, my husband, my dear, if the man not pay your bride price, not be your husband. Okay? He not love you. When the man not pay, not call the man your husband until the man pay your bride price. Say now we here to talk show talking. The ambassador to Benicoya say only if you say you love me, go and pay my bride price. I not go call you my husband until you pay my bride price. Because now husband for man, you not be left that your husband know as your husband. The family of the man know as his wife. If the man knows me, they call her husband, make you go pay your bride price. Because the man first and they call you wife. We be made with the same. Go say now my baby mama. So that's come to the end of this segment of today. God bless you. God bless the sharer. God bless those that have contributed one way or the other. And God bless the commenter. God bless every one of you. God bless you. Remain blessed and happy weekend. Happy Saturday. Enjoy yourself. Have a wonderful and lovely weekend. Enjoy yourself. See you next on my next program. Ciao.